Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how to play Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War without problems and how to fix them. First you need to copy the crack like I do. If you don't do this, when you enter in the game give you an error exit to desktop. After you launch the game, you need to go back in this black window and here you select what type of game you want to play. After you select your type of game, you receive an error and you need to press dismiss. And now everything is done. This is the error. This is all for today. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you, and if you like my video and help you, don't forget to support my channel by subscribing and you can hit the like button. Have a nice day.
You've got a green light, strike team. Happy hunting.
Let's get moving, people. Recon the site, eliminate all hostiles.
Nazi experiments, dimensional gateways, the undead. Shit, it must be Christmas. We should buy lottery tickets.
Sources say this place is ground zero. What's happening around the world right now? It all started here. Team, find a way in.